Hey there, how are you guys doing today? Kelly from socialforcreatives.com thought I would just take a few minutes and walk you guys through a tutorial on how to make an image for your social media profiles, because I know that not everybody has graphic design skills or the time to invest in making a whole bunch of stuff or the money. So we're going to use this program called Canva. I'm sure a lot of you already know about it, but we're going to use this one for now. There's a lot of other options out there. All right, so once you've made your account, verified your email, you should be able to log in. It'll look something like this. You can also search, which is always nice right here. Search. Got a whole bunch of stuff that's all pre-formatted for you, okay? All these other options, okay? And if this doesn't show up, it's under this Find Templates link right here, okay? And you can just go through, posters, logos, presentations, flyers, you name it. They've come up with it in here, okay? It's a lot to go over. So since we've been talking about Facebook this week, we're going to do a Facebook post. All right. So, and then this will pop up and it'll just kind of give you a little walkthrough. We're not going to do that because I'm your walkthrough today. All right. So you have this, and you have a lot of choices over here, lots of templates you can use. Now, you have to be aware that you have to make sure it says free, because even though this whole program is touted as free, there are paid features in here, okay? There's like paid text, paid images, everything else. So you have to be careful, all right? So I would recommend, if you can, try and take your own pictures and add it to these little templates that they've come up with, all right? You just kind of go through, find one you like. All right, let's just pretend we're a restaurant today. I found one that I like, and it says free right here in the corner. Super important. And you can edit each individual item in this thing, okay? So you can just type in the text, all right? So let's just say stop by today for half price burgers, all right? And then you put the date, of course, and get rid of this completely. Okay. Then if you want to add something, you just have to click on what you want to add. So we're going to edit this text. I'm going to have another piece of text down here, and we're going to change it to all day September 30th, 18th. And then, of course, you could change this image if you wanted to. Make it your own image, okay? But I didn't make an image for this, so I'm just going to leave it. Oops. And they do have an undo button up here. So just hit undo if you mess up. All right, that looks pretty good. So next step, go up here to this publish. And you can download this, and it should let you choose any of these options, all right? But please note, if you choose a PNG, which usually would have a transparent background, they are going to charge you for that, okay? You see this little crown? It's a premium feature, okay? But for an image like this, you don't really need a PNG, okay? You just need a JPEG, and then you just download it and just name it something, demo, and then we're just going to continue editing because we're not going to buy it today. All right, and there you go. There's your nifty little graphic that you can share on your Facebook page. Another tip to make this even more awesome is you would add some kind of branding. Okay, you come over here to this Elements tab. You can add or put anything else you want to on this. If you wanted to add more to it, just photos, graphics, all this sort of thing, just like before. Look for the free or look for the whatever. And then if you didn't like the text that was already here, like say you didn't want to keep this over here, you can add a different new text box like this, or you can use these down here to add text to this image. Okay, and here's your uploads tab, so you can upload whatever you want. Okay, and then there's even folders, so you can even create folders, but there's that crown. See, that's why, free is not always free. So, and then here's some other apps that they have, but we're not going to look at that. Okay, so hope that was helpful. Here, see, you can change the layout too. Of course, I would have to go in and change those images, which I'm not going to do right now. So if you want something that's a little more complicated tutorial, just let me know in the comments, and I will put something new together for you guys. And as usual, hope you're having a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!